So, greetings students. In this module, we will discuss few more numericals of NCERT in text. So, first numerical is how can three resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm. कि हमारे पास क्या है? We have three resistors R1, R2, R3. R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 3 ohm, R3 is 6 ohm. How they are connected so that we get these two total resistance or two equivalent resistance. Now up to now we discussed in the numerical whether they are connected in series or parallel. Now they are asking how they should be connected so that you will get the equivalent resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm. There are two rules. First is series combination, second is parallel combination. So in series combination, what we do? We add all three. So if you add all three, 3 plus 2 5 plus 6 11. So not even the single either A or B matches with your answer, means they should not be connected in parallel. क्योंकि अगर हम they should not be connected in series. कि अगर हम series में connect करते तो तीनों को add करना हमने, लेकिन add करने के बाद हमारा आंसर तो नहीं आ रहा. So first thing is finish, means we cannot connect these three in series so that we get our desired result. So what we will use the second, means combination in parallel. So let's try out. 1 2 3 R1 R2 R3 2 ohm 3 ohm and 6 ohm. And how we can calculate for parallel? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, because we have three resistance. So by this 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Now take the LCM. 6 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 by 6 equal to 1 by 1. और उसको उल्टा करेंगे, it will be 1. So we have to think about the combinations, various possible combinations by which we get our desired result. कि वो हमको बोल रहा है कि आप इसको कैसे कनेक्ट करोगे कि आपका रिजल्ट कितना आ जाए, 1 ohm और 4 ohm. So 1 ohm we have already calculated कि for 1 ohm they should be connected, all three should be connected in parallel. So this is series combination. So by this series combination we will not get our desired result. We should connect them in parallel. So series combination is not giving our desired result. So they should be connected in parallel. So 2 3 6 2 3 6. So this combination is giving us the desired result of 1 ohm. Now we have to find out how we can calculate the total resistance 4 ohm. So this is for the second point, which is the 1 ohm. Now we have to follow a method which is called hit and trial. The meaning of hit and trial is you have to assume the various combination from these three so that you get your result. कि आपको हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड फॉलो करना पड़ेगा, कि आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, अज्यूम करना पड़ेगा कि इनको हम कैसे कनेक्ट करें और कैलकुलेट करके देखना पड़ेगा कि अगर हम ऐसे कनेक्ट करते हैं तो क्या वैल्यू आएगी, दूसरी तरह से कनेक्ट करते हैं तो क्या वैल्यू आएगी. नाउ वी हैव थ्री रजिस्टर्स, सो हाउ दे कैन बी कनेक्टेड. लेट अज्यूम first resistance is 2 ohm, second is 3 ohm, third is 6 ohm. So one of the combination that is possible, first resistance which is R1 R2 and R3. R2 and R3 are in parallel and this combination is in series with the first resistance. So let's try it out. R1 is 2 ohm. Now first we will simplify this. These two are connected in parallel. So we will follow the parallel law. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R because they are in parallel. That is why I am not including the R1 for the calculation. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 6, 2 plus 1, 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2. तो Rp उल्टा करोगे आप तो क्या आ जाएगा 2 ohm. Now we will simplify this diagram. This is R1 and this is Rp. So R1 is 2 ohm, Rp is 2 ohm. So now they are in series. For series total resistance is R1 plus Rb. 2 plus 2, 4 ohm. So we have calculated our result by assuming a given combination. So अब आपको लगेगा कि मैंने तो पढ़ रखा है तो मैंने डायरेक्टली इसको कर दिया. You can also by doing few practice of few of the numerical you will be familiar कि हम कैसे कनेक्ट करें कि वो आ जाए. ठीक है. So 2 ohm is in series and 3 and 6 are in parallel. So that's how you can solve this first numerical. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now we will solve the second one. Second one is simple in comparison to the first one. Again, read the statement. What is the highest and lowest total resistance? कि हमको highest और total resistance देखनी है. That can be secured, that can be achieved by combination of 4 coils of resistance 4, 8, 12 and 24 ohm. The meaning of question is कि हमारे पास 4 coils हैं, उन चारों की resistance है हमारे पास, उनको हम कैसे connect करें so that we get the total resistance. कौन कौन सी highest आनी चाहिए और lowest आनी चाहिए. And we already discussed during the combinations of resistors कि when resistors are connected in series the total resistance will increase. कि अगर हम इन चारों को सीरीज में कनेक्ट करेंगे what are these 4, 8, 12, 24 because according to the law of combination of resistor in series if all of them these 4 are connected in series you will get the maximum resistance. That is what they are asking. So all are connected in series 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24. This will be 48 ohm. कि अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है कि मैक्सिमम रेजिस्टेंस हम कैसे अचीव कर सकते हैं 5 है 6 है 7 है कितने रजिस्टर्स हैं तो सिंपल आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ देम शुड बी कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज सो वी विल गेट द हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस मिनिमम और लोवेस्ट which is the opposite case combination of resistor in parallel कि when they are connected in parallel the total result will be lowest. So we will try the second combination. So this is the maximum resistance, second is the lowest. So 1 by Rp, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 12, 1 by 24. LCM 6 plus 3 plus 2 1. So 12 by 24. 1 by 2. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2. So reverse करेंगे Rp is equal to 2. Be careful about this. The maximum number of mistakes happens at this step because when 1 by Rp we are calculating so we have already make up the mind कि हम parallel की values निकाल रहे हैं तो हमको इतना करना है और most of the people do it like this 0.5. इसके बाद आगे सोल्व कर देते हैं और बोल देते हैं कि 0.5. तो यहाँ तक तो सारा आंसर करेक्ट है. तो बी केयरफुल अबाउट रिवर्स. उल्टा करना है आपको, इन्वर्स करना है तो Rp इज इक्वल टू 2 ओम और आपने क्या कैलकुलेट कर दिया 0.5 ओम. सो बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस स्टेप. मोस्ट नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स टेक प्लेस एट दिस लास्ट स्टेप. सो Rp इज इक्वल टू 2 ओम. सो व्हाट इज द हाईएस्ट बाय कंबाइनिंग देम इन सीरीज. व्हाट इज द लोवेस्ट कंबाइनिंग all 4 of them in parallel as proved by our numerical value. When they were connected in series resistance is 48 ohm, when they are connected in parallel resistance is 2 ohm. तो आप देख सकते हो कि 2 ohm जो वैल्यू आई है इन चारों की वैल्यू से सबसे कम है कि सबसे छोटा भी जो है 4 ohm का रेजिस्टेंस है उससे भी कम आ रही है इसके केस में. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन फॉर सेकंड न्यूमेरिकल. सो आई होप Everything is clear about the second numerical. Next is third numerical, NCERT in text. Based upon the heating effect, an electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate heat produced in 30 seconds. So again divide the question into two parts. What is given, but we have to find out. So electric iron of resistance, so R is given 20 ohm, takes a current of 5 ampere. I is 5 ampere, and calculate the heat produced. We have to calculate the heat produced in 30 seconds. So time is also given 30 seconds. So we will use the Joule's law of heating, I square R T. So I is 5, square कर दिया मैंने, resistance is 20 and the time is 30 seconds. So by multiplying them you will get 15,000 joules. So this is the amount of heat released. So if you want to convert that into kilojoule, divide by 1000, it will be 15 kilojoule. So it's your choice. So it's better if you want to score each and every point in your board exam, so you can also do this step कि 15,000 joules और यहाँ पे आप 15 kilojoule भी लिख सकते हो. Most number of time they have not specifically mentioned, so you will get maximum mark up to this step, but it's better you should convert it into kilojoule. So these are the three numericals of NCERT in text. So I hope these numericals are clear to everyone. If you have any query related to these three numericals, you can write your query in comment section. So thank you students.